Hi, this is Shankar Narayanan. Our project is development of connecting rod using aluminum silicon carbide.
I am the project member at Venkatesh P.
And our project, we are very much thankful to our project guide, Mr. D. Vijay Kumar, Assistant Professor, Vail Multitech. Let's go for the introduction. A connecting rod is a high performance engine and is subjected to internal forces and bearing loads. It should be able to withstand these forces for a large number of cycles.
In that the connecting rod may occurs different forces, different force act on the connecting rod. In order to reduce that force and stresses in the connecting rod, we are changing the material of the connecting rod. That's it.
So while studying for the optimization, we concluded that we can use aluminum 6061 as a base element and add silicon carbide as a additive mixture for making it a composite material.
As we know that aluminum alloy is a mixture and or a solid solution of two or more elements to form a single component, that is called alloy. Next. And the aluminum alloy properties are structure properties like crystal structure, face centered cubic, that is A is equal to 0.04 and at 25 degrees Celsius. And mass characteristics, atomic weight is 26.98154 and the density is 2.6989 grams per centimeter cube.
And now let's see the mechanical properties.
Hardness is ultimately increases and tensile stress is also increases
and the yield
is comparatively increased slightly.
The modulus of elasticity is 62 GPa and the elastic modulus is 25 GPa at room temperature.
And the velocity of sound is 6200 meter per second. Ceramics is an
non-metallic solid prepared by the action of heat and subsequent cooling. Because of most common ceramic materials are crystalline, it has very intensive and distinct properties.
As we know, silicon carbide is one of the chemical component of the carbon and silicon. It is originally produced by the high temperature and electrochemical
shape of carbon.
Electrochemical reaction.
The properties of silicon carbide, it possesses low density, high strength, low thermal expansion,
and it is too high hardness and high elastic modulus. That's it. Excellent thermal shock resistance. Application of SiC is
it is also used in ceramic brake discs and bulletproof vests and also sealing material for pump shafts.
And our project is aluminum silicon carbide. Aluminum silicon carbide is a material of a composition or combine of a material. They are also made up of combined two or more material in such a way that the resulting material have certain design properties on improve the properties. We have shown that we have taken an analysis that the whole material of aluminum 360 and the new existing material of aluminum 6061 with 25% of silicon carbide.
We have compared the tensile and compressive loads, the stress, deformation and also the strain. Comparatively, the stress is also increased and also the deformation is decreased and also the strain is also decreased. So comparatively 6061
we have done the theoretical calculation on the connecting rod, that is we taken the 150cc engine 150cc engines. In that we take the specification of that engine and we calculated with the help of with the help of the I section of connecting rod and take the specification of that I section and we calculated the total force acting on the connecting rod and total force connecting on the connecting rod and comparative with old material and new material, we are existing material we have calculated. Upon next
now volume. Let's come for the volume, weight and stiffness of the connecting rod. Weight of the connecting rod for
old material is 268.1811 grams,
but for the new material the weight is reduced up to 166.3654 grams.
Therefore the net difference between our 101.816 grams, the net connecting rod of the volume
reduction in
37.43%
in weight.
We also done the stiffness calculation for the connecting rod of a whole material and a new existing material. That is, we have find that old material has 1944.3 grams per mm, whereas in new material 2947.81, so that the stiffness is get increased. We have done the analysis in ANSYS software.
The von Mises stress strain plots and deformation, and also we have concluded
Hence,
that
we concluded that the weight of the connecting rod is changing the material of the current connecting rod of a high AL aluminum silicon carbide composites. The optimization of the connecting rod is 37.43 less than connecting rod. The new optimization of the connecting rod is to comparatively much stiffness than the
yes, the
former.
connecting rod is much lighter, and also it is more stiffer than the former. Thank you.
Thank you.